The world around us is changing rapidly. It's all around us, everywhere we look. Except this place. This whole process is still the same old tedious thing it always was. So we want to thank you for persisting all these years and introduce TankU. This is no less than a revolution everyone was waiting for. It's as easy as pressing a button. Or just tell TankU what you want. While other applications use a complex and frustrating process, TankU is the only one-tap fueling application. You just pull up next to the pump, and with TankU, you are immediately recognized and can start fueling your car. TankU enables the only dual automatic identification, utilizing existing CCTV cameras, and recognizes both driver and car, approving payment instantly. Using AI and big data, TankU makes sure every step is secured. TankU gives vehicle fleet managers a powerful monitoring tool to keep track of all fuel expenses. The system is designed for the new requirements of electrical car charging stations, new form of fleet such as Uber, and shared transportation. TankU promotes C-store products and other services directly to the driver's smartphone while refueling. Automating the fueling process keeps gas station staff at a minimum. There's no need for an expensive payment terminal. A true self-service. TankU, reshaping on-the-road payments.